In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase images in Canva. If you've been working with Canva for your design projects, you know how versatile and user-friendly the platform can be. But sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where you need to remove an image from your design. Whether you're trying to refine your layout, replace an image, or simply need to tidy up your design space, erasing images is a straightforward task. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and have the design open that you're working on. If you haven't already started a new design or opened an existing one, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in your Canva workspace, you'll need to locate the image you want to erase. This could be any image within your design that you no longer need or want to replace. Next, click on the image you want to erase. Once you click on the image, you'll notice that a toolbar will appear. This toolbar is your primary tool for editing and managing elements within Canva, and it offers a variety of options depending on what you've selected. It's a handy feature that allows you to make quick adjustments to your design elements without having to navigate away from your main canvas. Within this toolbar, look for the trash bin icon. The trash bin is your go-to tool for deleting items you no longer need in your design. By clicking on this icon, you can easily remove the selected image from your workspace. It's important to double-check before you click, just to ensure you're deleting the correct image, as this action cannot be undone. And there you have it. You've successfully erased an image in Canva. Remember, this process is incredibly useful for maintaining a clean and organized design. Keep in mind that if you accidentally delete the wrong image, you can always use the undo button located at the top of the Canva interface to bring it back. To sum it up, erasing images in Canva is a simple three-step process. Click on the image, wait for the toolbar to appear, and then click on the trash bin icon. It's a quick and efficient way to keep your designs looking their best without any unwanted elements. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your Canva experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your design projects.